Welcome back to Bytes, your go-to channel for all your streaming optimization needs. We'll continue today with part 3 of the TiviMate showcase. In this comprehensive series, I'll guide you through various tips and tricks to help you customize TiviMate exactly the way you want. This part covers movies and TV shows at its full extent. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you stay updated on all the latest content. Let's go! To watch a movie, or for that matter, a TV show, open the Options menu. Select the option you want, and press OK. The list with different streaming categories appears. To watch movies or TV shows, select a category, move right and browse the content. While browsing, information about the media appears in the top of the screen. TiviMate offers a search function if you are looking for a specific movie or show. Move all the way up to select the magnifier glass. As long as the microphone to the left is blue, you can start speaking to search or press OK to activate. When you prefer typing, just press right and type the title you are looking for. The search function finds titles in movies, TV shows, and TV channels. When you've found the movie or TV show of your liking, press OK. Press OK again to play. To control the playback, press the down or OK button on your remote. The playback panel appears. In the middle is the pause play button. Press OK to toggle between pause and play. To the right you find the fast forward button. Select it and keep OK pressed to go further in time, or press OK to forward in steps of 10 seconds. To the left is the rewind button with the same functionality. When watching a TV show, you find the episode controls next to rewind and fast forward. With these you can select the next or previous episode. When you want to watch from the beginning, move all the way to the right and press the button Watch from Start. To fast forward or rewind, you can also use the left or right button during playback. If you'd like to change the time steps of the rewind or fast forward, you can do so in the Settings menu. While watching, long press OK and select Settings. Move down to Playback and press OK. Navigate to the bottom of this list and select Skip Steps. Here you can change the time steps. This applies throughout the application. By default, subtitles are not enabled. If you want subtitles to be displayed always, change the settings. Open the Playback menu by long pressing OK or press down twice. Select Closed Captions. Select your language and set the Show Closed Captions for all channels to on. When you don't like the way subtitles are displayed, then TiviMate offers the opportunity to change that. Select System Settings for Closed Captions. The Captions menu opens. Press OK to display the captions, so you can see the changes you make. When you like to change the text size, select that option and press OK. Make your choice and press OK. Then go to Customized. Here you can change the font type. The text color. The text opacity. The edge type. But the background has to be disabled first to see the changes. So disable the background and go back to edge type. Now you can change the edge color. When Show Background is enabled, the background color can be changed. And the opacity. Show Windows applies only if Show Background is disabled. Now you can change the color of the window. And the opacity. I like the subtitles to be white with a black outline and no background. When finished, press the back button 3 times to return to the stream. That's it for part 3 of the TiviMate showcase. Don't forget to explore these tips and customize your setup to suit your viewing preferences. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. And as always, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more great content. See you next time.